Alright, so here is the 2020 version of the Spiderman Flipbook, and here is the 2022 version of the Spiderman Flipbook. From here you can see the difference in lengths. Okay, 9:6 and 10:7. Alright, okay, now in this version of the flipbook, I chose that I will reduce the drawing of the Spider-Man as the flipbook moves on. Okay, as you can see, these pages are not in sequence because I barely found the flipbook, and I just collected the pieces that I left and compiled them. As you can see how the color is deteriorating. Look again. Okay, you see the color, it's fading. Okay, it's deteriorating. And you can also see the spider moving up as the flipbook moves along. Alright, now I'm just gonna skip and show you the final part. Here you can see the lines going away as the flipbook goes on. And here you can see the final bits. Okay, all of the lines have gone and we're just left with the eyes, the mask. Okay, so yeah, this was all of my idea in the 2020 version of the Spider-Man Flipbook. Okay, now this recent version, Spider-Man Flipbook. Here you can see in this flipbook, I chose the idea that symbiote will attack Spider-Man and Spider-Man is gonna change into Venom. Okay, now see the Venom attacking Spider-Man. Spider-Man slowly, the mask is fading away, the symbiote is taking over him, and at the final end you can see Venom appearing. Okay, here you can see Venom. Here are the two versions placed side by side. Okay, now I'll show you something more important. I made these thumbnails for them. These are handmade thumbnails. Okay, you can see this 2-year-old thumbnail. You can see the quality of the paper and the condition of that. Surely you can see it's a 2-year-old, and this is the recent thumbnail that I made. I updated that. Okay, you can see the spider web and everything, and the whole web at the background. Now, one thing that is similar between both of these flipbook was the spider that I kept constant. Okay, when the flipbook goes on, the spider web gets shorter and the spider moves up, and slowly it disappears. All right.